Hello there! The world is buzzing with the latest news from the final frontier, space. We're stepping into an exciting new era of space exploration. The charge into this new frontier is none other than Jeff Bezos, the wealthiest man on Earth, and Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla and SpaceX. Bezos, along with his brother, an octogenarian pilot named Wally Funk, and a recent high school graduate, Oliver Damon, embarked on an 11-minute rocket-powered journey to the edge of space, thanks to Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket. Musk, on the other hand, through SpaceX, has revolutionized space travel by developing reusable rockets, reducing the cost of space exploration, and has successfully launched the Crew Dragon to the International Space Station. These remarkable adventures symbolize a significant shift in the way we explore space. No longer is space travel the exclusive domain of national agencies like NASA. With these ventures, Bezos and Musk have demonstrated that private companies can play a vital role in space exploration. The participants of these historic journeys were not just trained astronauts, but also ordinary individuals with extraordinary dreams. Wally Funk, the oldest person to travel to space, waited over 6 decades for this opportunity. Simultaneously, Musk's ambitious plans to colonize Mars provide a whole new perspective on space exploration. Their unique backgrounds and personal stories add a human touch to these technological marvels, reminding us that space exploration is not just about rockets and technology, but also about the human spirit and our insatiable curiosity. As Bezos and Musk continue to push boundaries and take giant leaps for mankind, we are left to ponder, what's next in this thrilling space race? Yet, Bezos is not alone in this cosmic quest. It's a race, a competition among the billionaires. The space race of the 21st century isn't waged between nations, but rather between billionaires and their commercial space companies. Let's take a closer look at the key players in this high-stakes competition. First, we have Richard Branson, the adventurous founder of Virgin Galactic. Branson's recent suborbital flight marked a significant milestone in his journey to make space tourism a reality. Virgin Galactic's unique air-launched spaceplane provides passengers with a few minutes of weightlessness and a breathtaking view of Earth, all while reaching the edge of space. It's a thrilling experience that Branson hopes to share with the world. Then, there is Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX. Musk's company is unique in its focus on orbital rockets. SpaceX's Falcon and Starship rockets are designed not just for short trips to the edge of space, but for long-haul journeys to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. It's an ambitious plan that could revolutionize how we travel and live in space. Lastly, we have Jeff Bezos and his company Blue Origin. Like Branson, Bezos is also focusing on suborbital flights, but with a twist. Blue Origin's reusable New Shepard rocket is designed to carry passengers to the edge of space and back, providing a few minutes of weightlessness and a stunning view of our planet. Each of these billionaires and their companies bring a unique perspective to the space race. Branson's Virgin Galactic promises an unforgettable journey to the edge of space. Musk's SpaceX aims to make us a multiplanetary species, and Bezos's Blue Origin hopes to build a future where millions of people can live and work in space. The race is on, and the stakes are astronomical. Who will come out on top in this billionaire space race? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, this competition is driving innovation, pushing boundaries, and bringing us closer to a future where space travel is accessible to all. But it's not just about the race, it's about a dream of ordinary people journeying to space. The idea of space tourism, once merely the stuff of science fiction, seems to be on the cusp of reality. But how feasible is it really? Private companies like Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic, and SpaceX are making significant strides in space exploration. These companies are not just making space more accessible for scientific research, but for the average person as well. They are paving the way for an industry that could one day see us booking tickets for a weekend getaway on the Moon. Imagine that! Gazing at the Earth from a space hotel, floating in zero gravity, all while sipping on your morning coffee. In 1967, Baron Hilton, then president of the Hilton hotel chain, had a similar vision. A vision of space hotels, a vision of ordinary people experiencing the wonders of space travel. Today, with advancements in technology and the increasing interest in space exploration, that vision is closer to reality than ever. Commercial space stations and space hotels are no longer just concepts on a drawing board. They are projects in development, backed by some of the biggest names in the industry. However, let's not get ahead of ourselves. We are still in the very early stages of this new era. The costs associated with space travel are still astronomical, pun intended. Yet, as with any new industry, these costs are likely to decrease over time, making space tourism more accessible to a broader segment of the population. The recent private space flights by billionaires may seem like a race for bragging rights. But these flights are more than that. They are the stepping stones towards making space tourism a reality. They are proof that space is no longer just the domain of astronauts and scientists. It is a domain that could soon be open to all of us. It seems like the stars are not so far away after all. The dream of space tourism is closer to becoming a reality. And what about lodging in space? How about a cosmic getaway at a space hotel? It might sound like a plot from a science fiction movie, but let's rewind to the year 1967. Baron Hilton, the then president of the Hilton hotel chain, unveiled plans for space hotels. Yes, you heard it right, space hotels. His ambitious vision included the Orbiter Hilton for short space trips and the Lunar Hilton on the Moon. The Lunar Hilton, a grand 3-level design, even boasted of a nuclear reactor kitchen and familiar hotel room aesthetics. This vision, while partly playful, was a testament to Hilton's belief in the future of space tourism. He saw a future where vacationing amongst the stars wasn't just a fantasy, but a reality. And although Baron Hilton passed away in 2019, his dream didn't. Fast forward to the present, and we find ourselves on the brink of that reality. The concept of space hotels is no longer a far-fetched idea, but a foreseeable future. The advancements in space tourism and the establishment of commercial space stations have brought us closer to this vision than ever before. Imagine looking out of your hotel window to see the Earth in all its glory, a sight only a handful of astronauts have had the privilege to witness. Imagine dining while floating in zero gravity, or sleeping under a blanket of stars. It's more than just a hotel stay, it's an experience of a lifetime. But let's not forget the practical implications. Space hotels could serve as pit stops for deep space missions, providing rest and replenishment for astronauts on long-haul trips. They could also serve as hubs for scientific research, offering unprecedented access to the space environment. The future of space tourism is not just about the journey, but also about the destination. Space hotels could be the next big thing. And who knows, your next vacation could be a literal out-of-this-world experience. So pack your bags and get ready for a journey to the stars. The future of space tourism is closer than you think. With all these developments, one can't help but ask, what's next in the space industry? Well, the future of the space industry is as vast as the cosmos itself. On the technology front, we're witnessing a shift from government-led space exploration to a new era of private sector involvement. Billionaires are not only racing to space, but they're also investing in technology that will allow us to reach further into the cosmos. From reusable rockets to advanced propulsion systems, the technology being developed today will drive us to explore new frontiers tomorrow. But it's not just about the technology, it's about making space more accessible. The idea of space tourism, once a far-fetched dream, is now becoming closer to reality. Companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are making strides towards offering suborbital flights to the public. And remember Hilton's bizarre plan for a space hotel in the 60s? It may not be as bizarre as it once seemed. The concept of space hotels is now closer to reality, with advancements in space tourism and commercial space stations. Imagine spending your holiday gazing at the Earth from a room with a view that's out of this world. Another key area to watch is the further privatization of the space industry. As private companies continue to develop and launch their own spacecraft, we're likely to see an increase in commercial space stations, lunar bases, and maybe even Martian colonies. But let's not forget about the potential for scientific discovery. From learning more about our own planet to finding signs of life on other worlds, the possibilities are endless. The sky is not the limit anymore. The future of space exploration is full of infinite possibilities. Stay tuned as we continue to explore these new frontiers together.